Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of a wireless Wi-Fi adapter connector. Without further ado, let us start the video. So we have the box on screen, ordered from eBay. We can now get into the packaging. Nothing else inside the box. We can move all that to the side. So this is a dual band wireless USB adapter. We have the quick installation guide, a very easy setup. Insert the CD into your computer if you are using Windows 7 or Vista. Plug the USB wireless adapter into the PC laptop port. Scan for the available networks and connect to complete the setup. So this could be the guide for you. Here we have the USB connector and the CD for those who are still using CD drives. We can now attach the USB connector to the antenna. USB port, looking for signals. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.